My name is Dan Callahan with Callahan and Blaine in Santa Ana, California. I'm here to give you some tips, things to consider when hiring an attorney. Now, first of all, you want to make sure that the lawyer you select has an expertise in the subject area that you need. Someone who, by example, if you need a personal injury lawyer, has had cases successfully resolved in personal injury, or if you want an intellectual property attorney, or if you want a corporate transactional attorney. Make sure you're getting the right attorney for the right job. Find out what experience the attorney has, what school the attorney went to, and how many years the attorney's been practicing. By example, if a person has only been practicing for 1 year, they probably don't have the experience that you're looking for to handle your matter. This is a case significant to you, and for that reason, you should make sure you go through these simple steps to find out that you're getting the right lawyer at the right price. So, what do? Check with the Community Bar Association. Make sure this lawyer has not been disciplined, that the lawyer's license is intact, and find out if the lawyer is a member of the appropriate associations in appropriate sections, like the business litigation section, the personal injury section, the domestic section. What section is appropriate to your case? Is it intellectual property? Make sure that your lawyer is a member of the appropriate section. Possibly your lawyer is also written or spoken on the subject. That's good to know. Your lawyer may also have received awards, such as Business Litigation Attorney of the Year for the county or for the state. There are state, nationwide, and local awards that are given out. Find out if your lawyer has ever received any. Find out if your lawyer has a conflict of interest with your given case. Conflicts can arise in different ways. But one way is, by example, many lawyers represent insurance companies and get paid by insurance companies. So if you have a dispute with an insurance company, you want to make sure that your lawyer is going to be aggressive and will not be distracted by any impact it would have on future cases he would receive from an insurance company. Find out who's going to handle the case. Is it the lawyer you're talking to, or are you speaking to a person who's in a large firm and you don't know who really will be handling the case? Will it be the senior partner, the junior partner, a junior associate, a paralegal? And if there is going to be a division of responsibility, who is going to do what at what fee? These are things you must figure out. Another thing, there are peer review ratings that are available, such as Martindale and Hubbell. Martindale and Hubbell has been around forever. And the highest rating a lawyer can have through Martindale is an AV. AV is in Victor. There's also Best Lawyers in America, very well respected. Super Lawyers, also well respected. And AVO, AVVO, with the rankings run between 1 and 10, 10 being the highest. Find out how your lawyer or prospective lawyer ranks with all these agencies. Now also, what kind of billing arrangement are you going to have? Is it hourly, contingency, or a hybrid? Hourly is when the lawyer works on an hourly basis and bills you at the end of the month and you pay the reasonable fee plus costs. Contingency is when the lawyer is only paid if he successfully resolves your dispute, whether by trial or settlement. And a hybrid is a combination of the two. Another thing to consider when considering billing is, what about costs? Out-of-pocket costs that the attorney expends on your behalf. Do you want to be consulted before those are incurred? If so, that should be in the retainer agreement. It should say that any expense over a certain amount, you should contact the client. Speaking of contacting the client, how do you want to be communicated with? By email, by telephone, by letter? How often? How frequent? Quarterly, monthly, weekly? Do you want to be contacted before any significant event, or just be told the results of the event? These things you have to work out in advance in selecting your lawyer. But what are the most important traits that you want to find in a lawyer? Somebody who's honest, experienced, will discover what you want and what your needs are and advise you honestly and fully, and will work hard to get you what you want and what you need. Once you have that relationship, you've gone a long way to finding the correct lawyer. Thank you. Happy to help.